Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 12. A message from the Prophet through hazratali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. On the 21st of the month Hadri of the year Bost in accordance with the Zar evaluation, the 40th year of the cycle, on the farther side of the Tungabhadra, I had this dream. It appeared to me as if it was the day of judgment when no one would be interested in anyone else. At that time, a stranger of great strength and commanding nature, with a bright face and red beard and moustaches, came to me and taking my hand in his said to me, "Do you know who I am?" I told him I did not. He then said to me, "I am Murtaza Ali, and the messenger of God has said and is still repeating it, that he would not set his foot in paradise without you, and would wait for you and enter the paradise with you." I felt so happy and woke up. God is all powerful, and the messenger is the intercessor. This suffices. End of Dream 12.